So yeah, don't really know what we're gonna paint today. Gonna have to figure it. Hello everybody, welcome back to the darkest parts. I hate this thing. I hate this painting. It's supposed to be Krinko from Magic the Gathering. This dude. It got away from me. The videos on the channel, I just couldn't do it. Alright, it was above where I was at the time. I don't think I can still do what I want to do with it yet. I'm working towards accurate portraitures. Eventually I want to do like a series of commanders and portrait style, but that's probably a couple years away. But hey, something I want to do, a goal. But I hate this thing, and it stares at me. So I'm gonna paint it because I can, man. Because I can. Because I have free will, and it's my painting, and I hate it. So let's just destroy this thing. All right. as we're getting into this painting, I am going to tell you one of my favorite Dungeons and Dragons stories of all time. So this, as you may have noticed, is going to be called Slimy Doom, which is not a very common name to be putting on anything, I would say. What Slimy Doom is and where it comes from is when I was 16, we were playing a D&D campaign with my friends. I believe it was Jeff and JT and one other person I can't remember. And it being during when we were teenagers, I was trying to make my DM JT uncomfortable, so I slept with a barmaid at a tavern in character. Instead of it making him uncomfortable, what happened was he made me act it out, made me embarrassed, and gave me an STD, known as, you guessed it, Slimy Doom. Now, Slimy Doom is not actually a disease in the game, as far as I know. I've never found it in any of the D&D books. He, from what I understand, picked a disease from the back of the 3.5 edition book, used the stats from that, and called it Slimy Doom because he thought it was funny. So, I'm going to make what I think Slimy Doom would look like, which in my head is what a gelatinous cube does to reproduce. So think Last of Us, the mushrooms that take over the people, think the aliens from Alien with the chest bursters, except it's a gelatinous slime cube. And yeah, I really like how this comes out, so enjoy.
I just love your smile. Just don't play YouTube, it takes me high all night. I just love your
Now I like it.
high all night. just the way